I draw my mommy going to the counter and ordering burgers.
Next one. Okay, next one. How about day 2?
My daddy was gonna get a happy meal.
Very good. The last one. Now, okay, you can present to your mom. And then, okay, thank you.
Thank you, ate.
Okay, Josh. Okay, Josh.
Josh was like a happy meal.
Yeah. Did I order Happy Meal? Good job. Did I get a toy?
Yeah, but I don't know. This doesn't. I'm going to watch Josh.
Okay.
I'm watching Josh.